Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay yourself on Gusto. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start setting payroll up for themselves. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $100 when you first run your payroll. So click on the link below and then you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Next, click on create an account on the upper right hand side. And fill out the basic information here. So input your name, work email, company name, number of employees, and then set your password. So once you do that, you're going to need to create your company profile. So this is just a basic series of questions. So who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? For my example, I'm selecting myself. How does your company currently run payroll? We're new to running payroll. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? Yes or no? Do you have a company bank account? Yes or no? In which US states do you work? Select the state there. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So yes or no? What industry are you in? So you simply just select the industry that most closely matches your company's primary business activity. Is your company a cannabis related business? So yes or no? Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? So yes or no? And then the last prompt is, what's your desired first payday with Gusto? So you can select an estimated date here and then change it later on. So it doesn't have to be exact, but afterwards just click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, you're going to be recommended a package here. This is the plan that I'm on in order to just pay myself. So I pay $46 per month to Gusto. And with this simple plan, you can run unlimited payrolls. You can get your W-2s or 1099s at the end of every year. You get some basic insights and reporting, and you also get basic support. So from this page, click on confirm and set up. Now, the next thing that you need to do, potentially 3, depending on what state you're in, is that you need to set up your payroll timeline. So on the left-hand side, just click on run payroll on the left side, and then under payroll details, click on continue. So from this page, you just need to input your address, your federal tax info, your filing address, your business bank account, your pay schedule, and your signatory. After you set up your payroll details, you then need to create an employee profile. So under run payroll, under where it says create your own profile, just click on continue. So from this page, you just need to fill out a bunch of information. So you've got the basic information here, and then you also need to fill out the compensation. So this is the amount that you want to be paid for a year. So for our example, I'm just pretending that I'm paying myself or setting my own profile up. So set up some basic information and then click on save and continue. And then from here, you need to set up your employee info. So set up your employee info here, and then set up your tax elections, and then set up your payment. So that is essentially how to actually pay yourself on Gusto. And again, depending on what state that you're in, you might need to fill out this prompt here where it says share your tax details. But that is essentially how you pay yourself on Gusto. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you'll actually get $100 as a Visa gift card sent to you. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.